My name is Aaron Hoover. I'm the Subcontract Manager and Small Business Liaison Officer in Cadillac, Michigan. I support the respiratory side of our business and deal in sourcing with our supply chain from day to day. It's really cool. I've worked in aerospace before, but it seems like that product is so much less tangible, right? Less available to what we actually do on a day-to-day basis. To be here and put our hands on products that people actually wear, to be able to try a mask on and feel how it operates is really cool. And it's significant knowing that we're saving people's lives with that equipment. We're keeping people alive and helping them protect others as well. Yeah, absolutely. And I get to explain it all the time, especially as I work with potential new suppliers. We're constantly benchmarking other organizations, other suppliers that manufacture commodities that we work with. And I get to explain that almost weekly, the type of person that is our customer base and who they are, whether they're first responders and protecting lives, and whether they're police departments, fire departments, prison systems, anybody that could be in harm's way from the day-to-day basis, but also foreign NATO militaries, U.S. military, and even the commercial folks that want to have protection that they can trust. I believe Americans are proud of the work that we do. We stand behind our work at the end of the day. We're not just here for a paycheck, not here just to punch in and punch out and do the day's work, but we're here for a higher purpose. And the products that we manufacture in Cadillac and throughout the supply chain across the United States are critical. They're highly important. They save lives, and they need to be counted on 100% of the time. Whether they're a week old or 10 years old, we know that our customers need to be able to believe in our product, and part of that belief in our product is the marketing that we're able to offer. It means it's made by my brothers and sisters, my family, right? My people. I would say thank you for what you do, and I hope that you can trust and believe in the equipment that we make available for you, so that you can keep continuing to do the best that you do and protecting other people and protecting myself. Oh, easy, because it's the best. It's the very best. They can count on it 100% of the time, all the time. Don't have to worry about it failing for a long time.